connecting your world.
Setting up a fiber router is a matter of matching the right numbers to the right blank fields. By following these steps, you will activate your broadband internet, a dedicated voice line, and a secure Wi-Fi network. Start with the physical connection. Use an Ethernet cable to connect your computer directly to LAN port 1 on the back of the router. You must have your information sheet from your internet service provider ready. This document contains the specific VLAN IDs, PPPoE credentials, and SIP server IP addresses required for your specific account. Having this data on hand prevents configuration errors. With these numbers ready, the rest of the installation is a simple data entry task. First, your computer must be on the same local network as the router. Manually set your PC's local IP address to 192.168.1.10. Open a web browser and type the router's default IP address into the address bar, 192.168.1.1. This login screen is where you enter the default administrative username and password found on your device label. This dashboard confirms you have access to the router's internal system. From this menu, you can control how the incoming fiber signal is partitioned into different home services. To set up the internet, navigate to the Network menu and select WAN. Initialize a new connection using route mode and the IPv4 protocol. Select the PPPoE radio button and check the box to enable the VLAN. Refer to your ISP sheet and enter the specific Internet VLAN ID, followed by your unique PPPoE username and password. Scroll to the bottom of the page to check the Enable NAT box. You must also check the port binding boxes for port 1, port 2, and WLAN. Without these bindings and the NAT enabled, the router will receive a signal, but your physical devices will remain offline. Save these settings to continue. Next, create a second, separate WAN connection specifically for your voice service. Set this new connection to static IP mode. Enable the VLAN and enter the distinct voice VLAN ID provided by your ISP. Input the exact voice IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway from your sheet, and set the service mode drop-down to Voice. Dedicating a static channel to voice traffic prevents your call quality from dropping when the network is busy with standard web browsing. To configure the phone line itself, navigate to the Application menu and select VoIP. Enter your ISP's SIP server IP address into both the primary and secondary proxy fields. Under the Line 1 section, check the Enabled box. Enter your account number, usually your phone number, and the account password. While the WAN connection creates the pathway, this registration step is what connects your physical router to the global telephone network. To set up your wireless network, go to the Network menu and select WAN. Enter your chosen network name into the SSID text field. Now move to the WLAN Security submenu to set your password. Choose WPA2 Mixed Encryption. In the Pre-Shared Key field, enter a password of at least 8 characters. Securing the WLAN ensures your high-speed bandwidth is only accessible to authorized users. To verify the setup, check the status page under WAN Connection Info. Both the voice and internet interfaces should show the status as up. Navigate to the Diagnose menu to run a live ping test. Enter the destination IP 8.8.8.8 and click Ping. A readout showing 0% packet loss confirms that your internet connection is active and stable. Repeat the test using the Voice WAN interface targeting your SIP server IP. Successful packets here confirm your voice routing is functional. These built-in diagnostic tools isolate connectivity issues. If these internal pings succeed, you know the router configuration is correct, even if external hardware or cabling has issues. With active statuses and 0 packet loss, your technical setup is complete. You can now unplug the Ethernet cable from your PC and connect to your new Wi-Fi network. Pick up your landline phone to check for an active dial tone. Manually configuring these profiles ensures your router handles data and voice traffic exactly as intended, giving you full